Hey guys, just wanted to work a few problems for you from section 12.2. Section 12.2 is very similar to section 1. Instead of arithmetic sequences and series, we have geometric sequences and series, which basically the difference is an arithmetic sequence is a sequence where you are adding, consistently adding the same thing from any term to get the next term. A geometric sequence is where you are consistently multiplying by the same term. In an arithmetic sequence, they call it D for the difference between terms. A geometric sequence, they use the letter R for ratio between terms. So like for example, number 1 is to determine the common ratio. They're obviously multiplying by, it looks like -2. So let me point to that, like -1 times -2 is 2. 2 times -2 is -4, and so on. Sometimes it's not as easy to tell what's going on. Like, this one, who knows? You can't really tell. So what you can do if you're not really sure, just like with an arithmetic sequence, you take any term and you subtract the preceding term to find the difference. Well, a geometric sequence, you take any term and divide by the preceding term to tell the difference. So like, how we said that they were multiplying by -2? Well, if you'll notice, if you take any term, like for example, let's just take -4. If you do -4 divided by 2, that gives you -2. That's the difference. If you do 2 divided by -1, -2, etc. So on number 1, the common ratio there would be -2. And of course, you just, to find the next 3 terms, you do -4 times -2, that'd be 8, and so on. You can find your next terms. Number 2, I would just go ahead and just take this second one and divide by the first. -3 divided by -4, that's +3/4. So your difference there, common ratio is going to be 3/4. So just multiply by 3/4 to get to the next term, and then do it again, do it 3 times. So that's the first part. Okay, I'm gonna do 3 more problems. I picked number 4, number 8, and number 11, just to kind of do a few. Hopefully that'll be enough to kind of help you. There are 2, same thing as with arithmetic. There are 2 formulas. There's a sequence formula. They do look a little differently. You might want to highlight this in your notes page. Here's the sequence formula for geometric. Real similar, just, you got your A1, you've got your N, it all means the same thing, just a little bit of a different formula. And then down here, of course, is your summation formula with your S, and that one looks a little, scary looking, but thank goodness we have our calculators, and it's not too bad. You can just type it in once you get it all filled in. So I'm going to work 3 of those, but I'm going to do those in a separate video just so it's not so long.